Hello friends, welcome to another session of Speed Maths by SlideScope. In this part you will learn how to multiply numbers quickly by numbers ranging from 11 to 19. Suppose you have to multiply any particular number by 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 19. So you can do it quickly with the help of a trick. So normally in multiplication two steps are needed, or you have to complete the multiplication in 2 or 3 lines, but with the help of this simple trick you will be able to multiply numbers in single line, and sometimes you can calculate the multiplication in your mind also. So suppose you have to multiply a number by 10, so it is really easy. Multiplying a number by 20 is also really easy, but it is tricky in case of numbers like 17 or 19. So let's see some examples here. So first I will tell you how you can multiply a number by number by 11. So you can multiply any number by 11. There is a very simple trick for that. So let's say our number is 34. So this is our number and we have to multiply it by 11. So we can write cross here. So you have to find the multiplication of this particular number. Now whenever you have to multiply a number by 11, so it is really easy. First, in this position, write your first number. Our number is 3, and in the last position write this number 4, and then simply add these two numbers. So let's say the addition is 7, because 3 plus 4 is 7, and then this is your answer. So see how simple it is. Otherwise you have to do it in 2 lines. First you calculate 1 into 4, then 1 into 3, then you calculate this, and then you add that. So really simple here. What we did here, write the first number here, write the second number here. So your second number in the last place, first number in the first place, and then in between them you just have to write the sum of these numbers. Let's take another example here. Let's say we want to multiply 78 by 11. So to multiply 78 by 11, we have to simply follow the same procedure here which we did in the previous year. So write 7 in the first place, 8 in the last place, but now you can see 7 plus 8 is 15. So because 7 plus 8 is 15, so you have to write 5 here, and 1 will be taken as a carry. So in such cases, when the sum is more than 10, so you have to, or sum is more than 9, you can say. So in that case you have to take whatever carry is coming and add that carry. So your first digit will become this sum of this carry, right? So your answer will be 858 and not 758, because in this case you have one carry here. So you can perform these type of calculations in your mind. It needs a simple practice. By practicing them you can calculate them. Let's take numbers of 3 digit. So let's say our 3 digit number is 685. Now in case of 3 digit numbers or 4 digit numbers, it is a little bit tricky here. Let's see. So you have to multiply it by 11. So we don't actually have to worry about 11 at all, because we are following this trick. So first write this number 5, right, and here write 6. Okay, so because the first digit is 6, write it. Second, the last digit is 5, write it. Now simply add 8 and 5. So you will get 3 and 1 as a carry. Then add 6 and 8. So you have to add these digits now. So in the previous case we were adding these two numbers. We added these two numbers. In this case you have to add, first you have to add this and this, and then you have to add this and this. So 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 is carry, 6 plus 8 is 14, and 1 is carry. So now in your mind you can say your number is 7535. 6 plus 1 is 7, 5, 3, 5. It's actually looking like we are taking two lines here, but we are actually not doing any multiplication here. We are just simply adding them, and by some practice you can actually do this in your mind. So you simply have to write 5. First write 5, then do 8 plus 5, that will be 13. 1 will be carry, then 14, 6 plus 8 is 14, 5, and then 1 will be carry in last. So 6 plus 1, 7, 5, 3, 5. If you will compare this calculation with the original multiplication, so this will give you results faster than the multiplication process. So you can follow this same thing for 4-digit numbers also, and so on. Now in the next part I want to discuss multiplication of numbers by 11 and by 12. Multiplication by 12. So the trick is really simple here also. First we will take a 2-digit number. Let's say our number is 34, which we did in case of 11 also. Now we have to multiply it by 12. So now what we have to do here, before multiplication begins, we have to put 0 here, or you have to assume in your mind that it is written like this. Why, you will just understand that when I will calculate it. Now simply write 8 here, because 2 into 4 is 8. So this is fixed, this will not move. It will come 8 here. Next thing is multiply 3 into 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Here in this example, or in these examples 11 to 19, you don't have to consider this at all. So forget about this. Just use 2 here, because 2 is the last digit here. You will do the same thing in case of 3, in case of 4. So in case of 13, 14 and 19, you will do the same thing. First do 2 into 4. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So because it is 10, so you have to write 0 here, and 1 will be carried forward. Now 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So our final answer will become 408. As simple as that. So it took some time while explaining it to you, but when you will do it on your own, take any particular number and try to multiply it by 12. So let's take this number 7, 8. 1 1. So as I told you, when you have to multiply it, so we have to multiply it actually by 12 this time. So put 0 here because it will make no difference. Forget about 1. So now we have to multiply it. So what is 2 into 8? 2 into 8 is 16. So 1 will be carried here. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. And 22 plus 1 is 23. So write 3 here. 2 will be carried. And then 7 plus 2 is 9 because 2 is carried here. So again, you just have to do some practice with it, and you can really calculate these things in single line. See once again, 2 into 8 is 16, 1 is carried, keep that in mind. 7 into 2 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 22 plus 1 is 23, so write 3. Then simply write 7 here because 2 into 0 is 0, plus 7 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So after doing some practice, you will really get hold of this, and it is really easy to calculate multiplication of any number by numbers from 11 to 19. The same thing can be applied to any digit between 11 to 19. Let's see an example of multiplication by 17. So let's take an example where we will try to multiply a particular number by 17. Let's take a big number here. Let's say 4267, and we have to multiply 4267 by 17. So you can see this type of multiplication can take some time when you will do it with the way we have done so far. But because we are learning speed maths, so let's try that. First, 7 into 7 is 49, so write 9 here. 4 is carry. 7 into 6 is 42. 42 and 7 is 49. 49 and 4 carry is 53. So write 3 here, right? I am not writing this, but in the first case 4 was carry. In this case 5 will be carried. So first it was 49, now it's 53. Now 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20, and 20 plus 5 is 25. So you will write 5 here, and 2 will be carried. We have to add one 0 here also. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. 3 will be carried. So now 3 is carried here. 7 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So 72539. So this is how you can calculate multiplication of any number. We took a number of 4 digits. We try to multiply it by 17. So you can apply the same trick on 19, 13, every number. Let's take any number. Let's say our number is 483, and we will try to multiply it by 19. Again, we have to multiply it by 19. We don't have to consider 1 here. So first I will draw a line here so that we can separate it. So first we have to do 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is 27 and you have to carry 2 here. Then 8 into 9 is 72. 72 plus 3 is 75 and 75 plus 2 is 77. So 7 will be here and 7 will be your carry. Then 9 into 4 is 36. 36 plus 8 is 44 and 44 plus 7 is 51. So 1 will be written here and 5 will be carry. Then 9 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. So our answer is 9177 here. So see how easy it is, and using this simple trick you can calculate multiplication of any number. It can be a number of any digit, any number of digits, and you can multiply it by 11 to 19. For 11 it is really simple. You just have to write the number, which is, you just have to write the first number in first place, last number in last place, and then you have to do add this with this. Now in this case also we are doing the same thing in case of 11, but because here 1 is being multiplied, so that's why we are simply adding these numbers. Here also we are adding these numbers, but after multiplication with the digit which is written here. Again, because we are uh, just trying everything here, or I am just explaining it to you, that's why it's taking some time. Otherwise, in your mind you can really do this calculation quickly, and when you will compare it with the actual multiplication, so this process will be a lot more quicker. So now you just have to do some practice. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.